The man say, the girl them see man wet up as a Jaws teleport and they never rip off a Jaws telecoat. Man and a raper. Girl accept him. Give him the pussy freely. She give him the pussy freely. Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S gamer here with another reaction. Move. Take off my glass. You're not trouble, you know. You're not trouble. So, today we're here with 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎 featuring Valiant. Or is it Valiant featuring 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎? Either way around. Two of them. Bad artists. With a new project called Guzu Bunx and Fada. You know, say 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎 say Guzu. Sparta, you don't know. And Fada Depo. So, we're going to jump in that one here with the G them I say. This one say, yo, big up yourself, 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎. You're there behind the bars, but you still have put out the work, bro. You still have put out the work, my fam. So obviously, big up yourself. You see me? So, I don't know, Valiant, hot artist right now. Diplomats Records, Silver Birds Records, big up on yourself. Boss Lady Music, big up on yourself. 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎 shoot it as well. So, big up yourself, 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎. Anyway, let's get into this one and hear the G them I say. Let's go.
Yo, jiggity, the brother the fuck, make sure you attack catching a dog. Frank White, where that looks, brother? Catch that man, my father, man.
Catch it, mama clock. Yeah.
Any man a sip, she ain't just pull up with a bitch. Cut the fuck quick, then you see be rich. Take a wife and turn it in a bitch. You know she say she a witch.
Blood 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎. Look at myself, Guzu boss. Yeah. I'm really put in the work, dog.
Any man a sip, she ain't just pull up with a bitch. Cut the fuck quick, then you see be rich. Take a wife and turn it in a bitch. You know she say she a witch. Loyalty me buy some when me ready. Them keys if you sell out, I must see market. Engine reverse, a pussy that split. Them bitch, they are spread out in a apartment. I suggest me, I tell you, I must see offset. Get the rim, them spread out, I know the market. Such a hat on the right side, and I look.
Yo, jiggity,
Yo,
the brother
this
the
body
fuck,
of
make sure you attack catching a dog. Frank White, where that looks, brother? Catch that man, my father, man.
Jumbo. Yeah. Let's go.
Any man a sip,
Yeah.
she ain't just pull up with a bitch.
Yeah.
Cut the fuck quick, then you see be rich.
Bitch.
Take a wife and turn it in a bitch. You know she say she a witch. Loyalty me buy some when me ready. Them
Yeah.
keys if you sell out, I must see market.
Yeah.
Engine.
Let me easy if you sell. Them what? Market? Remember I said pussy them easy if you sell out, you know. Them must see market.
Loyalty me buy some when me ready. Them keys if you sell out, I must see market.
Yeah.
Engine reverse, a pussy that split. Them
Yeah.
bitch, they are spread out in a apartment. I suggest me, I tell you, I must see offset. Get the rim, them spread out, I know the market. Such a hat on the right side, and I look left. Them gyal a blow up.
Got you up on the right side and I look left. Boom, clock. Legs in a man, 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎. Yo, you stay relevant, my fam. Big up a bomb clock self again, Guzu.
Spread out, I know the market. Such a hat on the right side, and I look left. Them gyal a blow bread pan for me cocky head. Got the hat on the right side, and I look left. Them gyal a blow bread pan for me cocky head. One Guzu Bunx and your gyal turn your ex. Habity pussy flood out inna the jaws there.
The man say one Guzu Bunx and your girl turn your ex. Guzu Bunx, hold her, take her with, grab her. His girl now. Not your, no, his bitch now. Not your girl anymore.
One Guzu Bunx and your gyal turn your ex. Habity pussy flood out inna the jaws there.
Guzu Bunx on the fire rock. Some gone uptown on a fire shot. Bad bitch in my rose when I talk a lot.
Oh, buckler, the man just coming smooth. Yeah. Yo, the man just coming smooth.
For me cocky head. One Guzu Bunx and your gyal turn your ex. Habity pussy flood out inna the jaws there.
Guzu Bunx on the fire rock. Some gone uptown on a fire shot. Bad bitch in my rose when I talk a lot. Shh, you know see the jazz I drop.
Yo, dance all nice now, you fuck. Yo, dance all nice again. Dancehall nice a bumbuckler again. That me a say. Yeah. Dancehall nice a fuck. Bumbuckler with songs like this. We needed this. We needed them. I like it.
Bunx and your girl turn your ex. Ability pussy flood out inna the jazz there.
Guzu Bunx on the fire. Some gun uptown on a fire shot. Bad bitch in my rose when I talk a lot. Shh, you know see the jazz I drop.
Fada,
Squeeze up the gal best just like Benz on. Lock down your gal in the detention.
Yeah.
Girl take my name off a mention. Catch your Guzu Bunx when you left on.
Yeah.
Club in the streets. Catch the rocket you need.
Yo, me like say the look at juvenile in the video them always do them thing and enjoy themselves. Cause them are the future, yo. Them are the future, the whole of Jamaica, yo. So me like say the little juvenile and enjoy themselves. Them a take part. So big up Valiant for give them a little role in the video. Same way. You see me? Yeah, dog. This a hit bumbuckler song, man. This a hit song. When this play like people nice in a party, the DJ them have to know when to play them type of song, brother. When people nice and just a party, dog. Like, you know the segment? The party segment? That's how them song have to play. This bad your fuck. Me love it.
Squeeze up the gal best just like Benz on. Lock down your gal in the detention.
Big up Shelly Belly too.
My girl take my name off a mention. Catch your Guzu Bunx when you left on. In the club in the streets. Catch the rocket unique. Mix the 100 with crate. Jeans as I'm cut off the foot knit. Guzu Bunx on fire. Some gun uptown on a fire shot. Bad bitch in my rose when I talk a lot. You know see the jazz I drop.
Inna mix with the oats when me go pour more. Catch a crown on the corner.
Squirtle, Sparta. Tommy Lee son, big up yourself, GG.
I mix with the oats when me go pour more.
Favor him Fada though.
Catch a crown on the corner. On the 24, you know see me a float. And if that can't cookie can't pass me through. Tell Nokia say me nah stop bang it phone. Vertible Benz pan the ass.
Man say tell who Nokia say nah stop bang it phone. Obviously I'll knock your bang it phone.
Pass me through. Tell Nokia say me nah stop bang it phone. Vertible Benz pan the asphalt. Man a flow greatest in the game. Blood club man a goat. See me and wet up as a jazz teleport. I may never rip off a jazz teleport.
Man say, the LMC man wet up as a jazz teleport and they never rip off a jazz teleport. Man and a raper. Girl accept him. Give him the pussy freely. She give him the pussy freely. Accept him and give him the pussy. Nah, pop off the jazz without no girl willing.
If that can't cookie can't pass me through. Tell Nokia say me nah stop bang it phone. Vertible Benz pan the asphalt. Man a flow greatest in the game. Blood club man a goat. See me and wet up as a jazz. Man a flow greatest in the game. Blood club man a goat. See me and wet up as a jazz teleport. I may never rip off a jazz teleport. Can't make it go and so okay until it cure. I mean
Bumbuckler, pull up. Yeah.
The game, blood club, man a goat. See me and wet up as a jazz teleport. I may never rip off a jazz teleport. Can't make it go and so okay until it cure. Related sugar, then dog it no pure. On the right side and a low left. Then a blow bread, pan for me cocky head. Man give you Bunx and your girl turn your ex. The pussy flood out inna the jazz there.
Guzu Bunx on the fire. Some gun on a fire shot. Bad bitch in my rose when I talk a lot. Shh, you know see the jazz I drop.
Yeah.
If I'm a king can shoot this, is a shoot good brother.
You're the sick brother. This bumbuckler that's sick dog. One more from Valiant. Do you mean G? Yo, this body of fuck. Tommy Lee, big up yourself, brother. Yeah. Brother, the man a take over dancer. Valiant a take over dancer, brother. Whether you like it or not, the man a take over bumbuckler dancer, dog. Yo, Tommy Lee. I like say, yeah, link closely with the young generation we are for, brother. Because they're about the future. Tommy Lee, big up yourself, bro. Like, you just adapt to the situation and understand your thing. Obviously, you're there behind bars, but you're still relevant, bro. You're still relevant. You know me, G. You know the thing, go, brother. Yo, Valiant is arguably the hottest dancehall act right now, bro. Like, yeah, brother. Like, me can't wait to see Valiant to take the plane and a flight, go rip up the world, dog. Me can't wait to see that, brother. Me can't wait to see the man out there, dog, and making money, like, overseas, brother. Like, no joke. Yeah, Valiant sick, bro. And family sick too, dog. So get this song trending, bro. Like, get this song fucking trending, dog. Yeah, dog. And goes the Bunx and the Fada, right? But for me, one of my favorite parts of this song, the man say, yo, you know, a rip off of 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. No rape into the thing. None. Bumbleclot. But anyway, dog, yo, I'm so excited for this one, dog. I swear to God, man. Yo, right now, I go watch it back again. I watch it again. Yeah, this bad. Anyway, this one I'm gonna leave the one. If you enjoy the one, I want to see more energy from your G. You don't know what to do. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Please leave a like on the fucking video. It's free. And subscribe around here. I said that already, but I say it again. Subscribe a blood clot around here if you haven't done it already. Alright? I'll see you guys. Yeah, sorry, me a bad enough, but me can't bad enough because I'm not doing do phone part. Me I do my part by creating content, but I'm not do phone part for me. So I don't need to do no part. Like the video, dog. Like the video. Alright? So I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.